These days, many foods have chemicals in them and they are harmful for us. So, to test that, I have put some food items and I will test if they are adulterated or not. In adulteration, it shows if the product has starch or not. So first, over here we have ghee, salt and milk, and also some iodine solution. So first we will take some iodine solution and put about 1 to 2 drops in the ghee. We will have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes and you will see it will turn bluish black. Next we will put some iodine solution on the salt. Now the milk. Now, in potato it has starch and also rice. So I'll put 1 to 2 drops on top of them also. And on top of rice too. As you can see over here, on the ghee, there is a black residue. On the salt, also there is some black color. For milk, we will wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. Over here, you can also see the rice has turned bluish black.
Why? Why the rice has turned bluish black?
Because it has starch in it.
And what about the potato?
It also has starch, so it started turning black.
Okay. And what did you mix in the milk to prove that it is adulterated? What do the milkmen add in the milk?
They add some cornstarch to make the milk thick.
Okay. So how will you prove?
We added some iodine solution and that will prove that it contains starch.
If the cornstarch is added, then what will be the color of the milk which is adulterated?
It will be bluish black.
Okay. Let's see whether the color is changing. Not yet. Not yet. Oh, and salt has turned black. So which one is the adulterated salt?
This one.
Okay, the salt which had turned black, it is adulterated.
And the one which is the color which is normal, this is the color of iodine.
Okay.
So means this salt is not adulterated.
Okay. And what about the ghee?
The ghee has a blackish residue over here, as you can see.
Okay.
That means that it is adulterated.
Okay. And what about the pure one, pure ghee?
The pure ghee, first of all, it did not spread further, and also it has no black residue, if you can see.
Okay. Show us. Okay.
So as now, if we add some more iodine in it, you will see instant reaction in it. You can see it turn black. So you can see it has turned a little black on the inside. Over here you can see it has turned a little more black. Means this milk is also adulterated.
Okay, put more in that also. That might also be adulterated. Prove that.
In milk?
Yes. You have to pour similar quantity of iodine.
So you can see there's no blackish thing which is coming, means it is not adulterated.
Okay. And this milk is turning black from the bottom.
Yes.
But there is no black color in this milk. So this way we can prove the which one is adulterated.
And also in food packaged food, they have a logo on the back which says FSSAI. This agency tells if the food is adulterated or not before the food is further delivered. So we can, by this, if you see the logo behind, we can get to know that this product is safe for us and will not harm our body. Thank you.
Very well. Very well explained, Namya.
Thank you.
Okay.